Hello, and welcome to Pendulum Divining and Dowsing with Lyman Holton. Lapis lazuli crystal is said to guard against psychic attacks, relieve stress, bring peace, boost the immune system, purify blood, lower blood pressure, and ease inflammation. It also helps to overcome insomnia, vertigo, and depression. Wow! This lapis lazuli crystal pendulum is not only amazingly beautiful, but is also packed with many healing powers. I absolutely love this pendulum. Take a good close look at it here. Could you really imagine any crystal more beautiful than this? Look at that. Look what nature does for us. Wow. Fantastic. Today what I want to talk about is toxic chemicals. And do we have any of those harming us? In our food, in our water. Most of us are well aware of the fact that there's products out there like Roundup that people have been known to get cancer from. Many people. There are all kinds of things that can cause you a problem. If you use a lot of plastic, if you have Teflon on your cookware, all sorts of things can bother you. You have ready-made foods. There can be toxins in those. Toxins in the air. Just chemicals that are going to hurt you. So, we want to find out if the things we drink, what we eat, are toxic to us, or if we just have toxins in us. We'll get on here to question number one. Now, what I'm going to use as an example is my beloved coffee. How could something so good be bad for you? I don't know. So, here we go. Question number one. With the amount and frequency that I use this product, is it on any level toxic for my body? With the amount and frequency that I use this product, is it on any level toxic for my body? Okay, and it quickly tells me no. Clockwise means no for me. All right, so my coffee's good to go. But you could have some other beverage here. Perhaps some sort of a diet soft drink, something that you've gotten out of a plastic bottle, some water that had sat in maybe your hot car and cooled off and warmed up and toxins get in there. Now, also, the coffee that I use is a pretty good quality coffee, and it's bean coffee, so I grind it myself. Of course, that doesn't mean that before it gets to me, it hasn't been contaminated by pesticides or what have you. All right? Now, let's move on here. And by the way, if it had said yes, what I would have to do then is, of course, ask on a scale of 1 to 10 how toxic it is. So we'd go, is this toxic on a scale of 1 to 10 between 1 to 5? Does it fall in the 1 to 5 range? Does it fall between the 5 and 10 range? Does it fall between the 6 and 8 range? You know, where is it? Okay, so we'd have to work through that. Question number two. Is my body currently carrying a toxic load that is hazardous to my optimal health from any product or combination of substances I have come in contact with? And once again, our friend the pendulum has gone into a no swing. So, no, I don't have them. Okay, so good for me. Now, question number 3. Are there any chemical toxins within my body compromising the absorption rate of any mineral or vitamin? Okay, now this time it's telling us yes. So, yes, there are chemical toxins within my body compromising the absorption rate of any mineral or vitamin. So what I would need to do at this point, I'm not going to now because it'd make the video too long, but you could do this at home if you got the same answer I did. Make a list of the different vitamins. You'd ask about vitamin A. Then you'd go on to vitamin B. You'd have to go through the list of vitamins. When you got to B, if it just says no, okay, you don't have to worry about it. But if it said yes, you'd have to go through the various types of vitamin B, B1, B6, and all that. Okay, the same thing with minerals, electrolytes, and so forth. So, that's what we have today for chemical or toxic chemicals. And thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at our next lesson. Goodbye for now.